Welcome back to my today's Saturday, right? Hey guys, welcome back to my Saturday video. Today I'm going to be doing a slime review. So today we're going to be reviewing six of my slimes. So some of them are bad, some of them are good. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell right there. You can smash that like button, and I want to get this video up to 100 likes. If it does, I will do another slime review, and I'll start my own vlog. So let's get straight onto the video. Yo. Okay guys, so I'm back with the slime review. So first things first, this is gonna be first slime. This could be my first slime. See, this is my first slime. It's really good. It's really stretchy. See, you saw that slime swirl. Slime swirl. So, yes. Now, look at that. So, I put these little beads in my slime. Oh, where did it go? Now I gotta freaking pick one out. Why are these beads bothering me? I didn't do nothing to you. What's my okay, here. Okay, so I put these little beads, actually like the little diamonds. Here. Alright. So, or if I had glue and an activator, I would make a slime right now. Obviously, I make a so yes, I'm putting this back in my slime. And yeah, so that's my first slime. Let's go straight on to the next. So this slime, it is really sticky. I don't like it, but we're gonna have to slime review it. Yeah, we're gonna have to slime review it. It's a must. So just let that drip down. See, it's dripping already. But just let that drip down. See, look at it. It's like cake batter. Like it's like you know how you guys pour the cake batter on. That's exactly how it is. I'm not gonna take out a lot because a lot is really sticky. So I'm gonna put this in my hands. And I guess this makes it unsticky. Just mix it all up in your hands. Alright, so it really did work. It kind of works. It made it unsticky. Okay, so I guess that's how it works. So I'm gonna make a little tiny slime swirl. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little slime swirl. Ready? I don't care if my hands get messy. I'm just gonna make one. At least I'm making a slime swirl. Oh, why is this so sticky? Look at this. I messed it up. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna have to do this again. I'm not gonna pause the video because like I can do this. See, like this. Oh, look at that. It's like so nice. Watching over your home has never been easier. See, look, watch. Learn more at rain.com. Okay, so I'm getting all the slime off my fingers. So it's basically like ooblex. So you know when see, like, so it's hard substance now, but like when it sits in the hands, it just melts. See how it's not sticky no more. But look at the substance. Look at it. See, it's like freaking ooblex. But yes, that's the first slime that I'm gonna put in. Get all the slime off of me. So there we go. See? So, that's the first one. This is the second one.
She finally called me.
This is pretty good. I love this slime. So this is gonna be the first slime. This is really clicky. It's really stretchy, but this slime is gonna be how much slime? How much lotion can slime hold? So that's exactly the thing I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna set this aside after I'm done with all my other ones. So I'm gonna set this one aside. I'm not gonna add that in, not just yet.
Need a change of scenery?
Look at these guys. This is my Nickelodeon slime. It's really sticky and I don't like it. So I'm only gonna put, not that much, but I'm just gonna put this one on top.
I don't believe it. Again.
Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth?
I want to believe it.
Ooh.
I'm not hearing the confidence. Okay, hold name your price rule. Power options based on your
Now,
budget.
you bullshitting, Jay, about the skid mark you left in that thing.
Oh, angels.
Girl, I went in there like, oh shit, she telling the truth. I thought that was a joke.
I'll clean it up.
Nah, I already did.
Look at that. So I covered the whole top with slime. So I'm just
Damn,
gonna
they spelled her whole
hurry
name.
up and do all this slime review because guess what, guys? It's pretty cool. Ah, look at that. Look. Oh, see how stretchy that is? I'm not even stretching it. Look when I go slow. It just drips. Well, look when I go fast. It doesn't break at all. See, look at that. Slime swirl with this. Like, look at this. Look at the slime swirl. Look at the slime swirl. Look at the slime swirl, guys.
Yeah.
This slime swirl is gonna be on fleek. Look at that. Oh, you can't see it, but that's a pretty good slime swirl. So I'm gonna add a little bit more at the top.
What hell are y'all coming? I just want
That's
to know
the
what
one.
that.
Okay, now the next one is going to be this one. My favorite slime. So guys, this other one. I'm not gonna put the slime in it because sorry, but it's so good. I put more of this one in it, but I don't put Alright, so how did it change? Ah, this is a pretty color. Okay, so hello guys.
What was the team's demeanor at halftime?
Look at
was that passion?
this, guys.
You know, we've got a world champion. Did that kind of come out?
Look at this little face on there.
So I'm not stopping this shit.
I'll be waiting for midnight for
Alright, no. So we're gonna stop this.
I'm trying to do a
That's too
video.
professional. That's a sock.
No, it's not too sufficient. Shut up, boy. Get out my face.
Alright, come on, let's get it. Let's go. Alright, 10 by 10, kids going.
10 by 10.
Okay, wanna bump the music now, Grandma? Okay, hold on. After I do this video. Just after I do this video, because this video is important. Okay, guys, now it's time to mix all my slimes. So,
Tell him stay where he at. We coming to him. Tell him I said stay where he at. I'm coming to him.
Y'all ready?
There we go.
Hey, we're
Now,
going
let's
to
have
stand by
fun so we can get back and
It's
get us
too
some
late,
sleep.
homie.
look at this.
Hey, you ain't almost there. You almost here like Tell them.
Hey.
You was almost here.
Nigga, you don't get your black ass on over here. We ready to fucking go. Damn, nigga.
You been on your way since
Where
last night.
we going? We going to the casino.
And Scott want to have a drink with him too.
And Scott trying to have a drink with. Damn, you fucking up.
He's black for real.
Oh, you beyond. That nigga dirt.
He's purple. He look like Jamal Green.
Oh, this nigga Zay over there.
Shut up.
I can flame somebody.
Bellflower. Make a left on Bellflower and then make a right on Arbor.
Yeah.
Make a left.
Tupperware bowls down.
Oh, make a right on Arbor and then the first street you make a left on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Jello?
Yeah, you better hurry up.
You have Jello, Grandma? Oh. So that is it, guys, for all my videos. And have a nice day. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I will be right back because I'm finna vlog. So, bye. Peace.